Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad model and iOS version. Some options differ by release. Once done, plug the iPad into power to avoid interruptions while changing settings. Then open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness. You want to be in the right menu before adjusting timeouts. Make sure focus and screen time are accessible because they can override auto lock. Now proceed to change auto lock. This is the primary control that prevents the screen from turning off. Set auto lock to never under display and brightness to stop automatic sleep. That's the core change. Next, check focus modes. Do not activate Do Not Disturb or any focus that has a dim screen action, and edit focus schedule or apps that trigger them. Also open screen time to ensure downtime or app limits aren't forcing lock behavior. Add essential apps to always allowed. Once these changes are made, confirm they persist by letting the iPad sit for a minute uncoupled from power. Finish by testing. Leave the iPad idle both on battery and while plugged in to verify the screen remains active. If it still locks, restart the device and recheck any configuration profiles or mobile device management that may enforce sleep rules. If settings revert or misbehave, reset all settings to clear problematic system options while preserving your data. This often resolves hidden conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if corporate or school management controls the iPad, contact the administrator because those policies override local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.